In today's video, I want to show you how to get the i12 TWS into manual pairing mode so that they can sync into each other and go into pairing mode and connect to a Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 10. Okay, so before we do anything with the i12s, let's go ahead and just turn on our Bluetooth settings for our Samsung phone. And the fastest way to do this, basically, we'll use the drop down menu here, and you'll see where it says Bluetooth, and go ahead and long press that, and that'll take you straight to the main Bluetooth settings. And just go ahead and turn it on, and it's going to go ahead and run its searching process, but it will stop eventually. You'll see i12s, but don't do that. Don't tap on it. Just leave it alone for now. And we want to make sure we're actually connecting both of them. So let's go ahead and, of course, open up the case lid to get things started. And as you open up the case lid, you'll notice that sometimes they may be already flashing blue and red like that, which means they're already in pairing mode, which is something you don't want to, because this is going to cause confusion later on down the road. So let's go ahead and just take them out of the case. And then while they're out of the case, we're going to go ahead and long press both of them on the touch control surface area and hold it down until they both flash in red. Okay, so that basically we're just turning them off. So we'll hold it down and just pay attention to the lights. So hold it down together like this and hold it until they flash in red like that. So let it go. That means they're both off. Now you're going to do the same thing again. You're going to long press it, and this time they'll both flash in blue and red together. So hold it down, and then you'll see them light up like that. Let it go quickly, and then you'll notice only one side remains in the blue-red blinking mode, which means they have synced into each other and one side is now in a pairing state. So with that said and done, let's go back to our Samsung phone. And since we have our Bluetooth settings on already, all we got to do is use the scan option to have it search again. So wherever the scan option is on your phone, hit it, and then it'll start searching again. And then you'll see that i12 show up. And it should be only one i12 show up, which means you are doing it correctly. And when you see it, tap it one time. It will say pairing. And then after that, you'll see the pairing request. Just press OK. And finally, it will say connected for calls and audio. It'll tell you the battery percent life. Pay attention to the volume. And then, of course, just watch the i12s and see if there's any blinking lights. And if there's none, that means they are both fully connected and you are good to go. And of course, as always, if this guide was helpful, please do like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you're new to my channel. Thanks for watching.